I got this 06 Buick Northstar. It has a Northstar in it. It has a misfire. Complaint of running off. It's a pretty simple one. So I'm synced on coil number 2. I have an clamp around injector coil fuses 1 and 2. And then try to get the glare out of it. Set my coil current ramp. And then my sync. I stop it. Zoom out. Go through. There's my problem. The short at primary, you see how it shoots up to almost 5 amps. I would say primary over short and secondary on that. Short and secondary usually doesn't shoot up as high. And third, number 2. That's when the firing order is number 7. So quick, easy misfire right there. 1 coil, 8 plugs, we're good to go.